about to have some fun. But yeah. So, I had to get styling on them. Let them know what time it is with the new drip. Nah, I'm just playing. But, we're going to have a good time today. So, meet a lot of people, see a lot of people. One of the biggest cars and coffees in the country from what I've heard. So, let's have some fun. Peace.
Stop telling your visions to other people because they're not going to see it. Why do you keep imagining buying a house? Why do you keep imagining driving a really nice car? Why do you keep imagining that? Because God is talking to you. He's showing you something that he has for you. Just in your imagination.
Oh, Dad used to have one? That's cool.
This is Chrysler's at 1050. Different cars. Love it.
Thank you for watching this video. We got a lot more coming. Next video, I think we're going to go to the track. But make sure you subscribe to watch that video. Talk to you guys later. Peace.